Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix the zero error code on a Daikin air conditioner model FTSS35K2V1B. These errors mean the unit is not cooling properly, and there are a few possible causes. If there is a shortage or cooling off or clogging, the system will stop cooling. So you will need to find the leak and check the cooling. In case the thermistor is defective, it will send wrong side signals, and you will need to repair or replace. If the low pressure sensor is faulty, the unit will not operate correctly, so replacing the sensor will help. In case the outdoor BCB is damaged, the system will not run properly. Try repairing or replacing the BCB. For the precautions, you better check that the base, stand and other fitting of the outdoor unit are not decayed or corroded. Besides, you should check that nothing blocks the air inlets and the outlets of the indoor unit and outdoor unit. The last, you might ask a professional technician to maintain your air conditioner every year. And that's all about information. And thanks for your listening.